Right now, take a deep breath. Ask yourself honestly, how often do you scroll and think, why not me? Why do they have more? That sting in your chest. That's the trap. But Allah wants to free you today. He wants you to look at what He already placed in your hands and say from the heart, this is enough. Alhamdulillah. Allah directly commands us in the Quran, and do not wish for that by which Allah has made some of you exceed others. For men is a share of what they have earned, and for women is a share of what they have earned, and ask Allah of His bounty. He is saying, don't covet, don't burn inside comparing. Your risk is written unique to you. Wishing for someone else's portion only steals your peace. Instead, turn to Him. Ask from His endless bounty. But first, be pleased with what's already yours. Listen to this hadith that can change everything. The Prophet said, whoever wakes up in the morning, safe in his home, healthy in his body, and has his food for the day, then it is as if the whole dunya has been collected for him. Think about it. If you have safety, health, and just enough for today, you have everything the world can offer. Most people chase millions but miss this simple truth. True richness isn't in having more, it's in realizing you already have enough. The Prophet himself lived with little, yet his heart was the richest. He was content, and Allah blessed his every moment with barakah. Here's the secret: when you are content, Allah increases. Another hadith: whoever is pleased with what Allah has apportioned for him, Allah will bless him in it and expand it. Whoever is not pleased, he will never find blessing in it. Contentment invites barakah, multiplication from Allah. A small salary with kana becomes sufficient and peaceful. A simple home with shukr feels like a palace. Envy destroys barakah, gratitude multiplies it. So pause, name 3 things Allah gave you today. Your eyes to read this, your heart still beating, a moment of safety. Say Alhamdulillah out loud. Feel the shift. Today, break the chain. When envy creeps in, say Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is sufficient for me, and He is the best disposer of affairs. Make this dua: O Allah, make me content with what you provided, bless it for me, and replace every lacking thing with something better. Raise your hands now, seek forgiveness for ingratitude, thank Him sincerely. You are Allah's servant. What He gave is enough, because His wisdom is perfect, His mercy endless. Embrace it, and you'll taste the paradise of this world, a content heart. May Allah grant us qana, barakah in our rizq, freedom from comparison, and entry into Jannah. Ameen Ya Rabbil Alameen.